This kind of edit takes hours in Blender, right? But now you can do this in seconds. Let me show you how. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because the next video is even crazier. First, go to Nano Banana Pro. You need to give a prompt to generate this. I have already kept my prompt ready. I'll just copy and paste it here. For the prompt, don't worry, I will share it with you personally. For that, you need to comment "building" in the comment box along with your email ID. I will send the prompt to your email ID. Also, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now back to the topic. Once you paste the prompt, you will see the Tools icon. If you click on that, you will see Create Image. Select it, and here you need to choose Pro Mode because it gives you better results. Once done, click on Submit. Until the image is generated, let me take a quick break. In my previous video, I shared a quiz. If you go to the bottom of the video description, you will find it. Choose the correct answer and let me know how many of you got it right. It's just for fun, not mandatory. Also, please support my video so that it reaches more people and share it with your friends who are interested in this kind of content. For this video as well, I have shared a quiz. Please take part in it. It's free and just for fun. Also, don't forget to like this video. If you are an editor or content creator, you might know how much effort we put in to create good content. Your support motivates me to bring more videos like this. Now back to the topic. Wait for a few seconds. It will generate the image. Here is the generated image. If you are satisfied with it, that's great. Otherwise, you can modify the prompt and generate it again. Now, I want to generate the second frame, so I will copy the second prompt and paste it here. Here, I will remove some unwanted parts from the prompt. Once you are satisfied with your prompt, click on Submit. Once both images are generated, download them. Now comes the interesting part. Which AI tool should you use for the best result? Obviously, you might think of Veo, Kling AI, or other tools. But for me, I personally feel this is the best AI tool. You might be wondering which one it is. It's OpenArt.ai. And just to clarify, I am not promoting it. This is my personal opinion. Compared to other tools, I feel OpenArt.ai works best. If you know any other tools like Higgsfield.ai, OpenArt.ai, or Diggin AI, mention them in the comment box. In OpenArt.ai, you will find multiple AI tools. I won't go deep into it right now, I just want to introduce it. If you're interested, visit it and explore. Okay, now back to the topic. Once you open OpenArt.ai, one more thing. This is not a free tool. I have purchased it just to show you and create videos for you. Now, click on the video section. Here, you can choose any tool. You will find options like Seedance 2.0, Kling 3.0, Omni, One, VO, Hilo, and many more. You can try any of these. Here, select the first frame. Actually, this should be the second frame. No problem, I will swap it later. Now, select the end frame. Let's swap them correctly. Now, you need to add the prompt in the Describe the video box. I will copy and paste the prompt here. I created this prompt for Kling AI, so I will choose Kling 3.0 Omni. You can choose the duration, aspect ratio, and even enable audio if needed. The more duration you select, the more credits it will consume. I'll go with a 6-second duration, but you can choose as per your preference. You could choose the resolution 720 pixel, either 1080 pixel. If you want audio, keep it on or turn it off. In my case, I will keep this on. After that, click on Generate. That's it. Something that takes hours in Blender or After Effects can now be done in seconds using AI. And that's how you can create this insane transition in seconds using AI. Hope you enjoyed this video. Comment building and I'll personally send you the prompts. If you found this useful, hit the like button. It really helps the video reach more creators like you. And subscribe, because the next video is even crazier. We'll see you in the next video. Until have a nice day.